Hello, student. Good morning. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about how to prepare layout and PCB of simple circuit like bridge rectifier. Aim of this experiment is to draw layout of bridge rectifier circuit to make PCB for bridge rectifier circuit. List of electronic component and equipment required for this practical is copper laminated sheet 100 into 100 printing ink, brush, etching tray, ferric chloride solution, electric or hand drill machine, drill bit 0.5 or 1 etc. Circuit diagram of bridge rectifier is shown below. Layout of PCB is also shown below diagram. Theory regarding this experiment is mostly electronic circuits are mounted on a plastic insulated board with printed wiring. This is called printed circuit board PCB. One side of PCB has conducting path printed with copper on the board instead of using wires. The other side has the components such as resistor, capacitor, coils, diode and IC means integrated circuit. Types of PCB: single sided PCB, double sided PCB, multi layer PCB and flexible PCB. Single side PCB. In this type, the copper track run only on one side of copper clad board. Based material used is either paper, phenolic or glass epoxy. Such type of PCB are used in radio, receiver, TV, etc. Double side PCB. In this type, copper foil is present on both sides of the copper clad laminate. The components are mounted on both sides. Such type of PCB are used in microprocessor, CRO, etc. Multi-layer PCB. These are used for high interconnection density applications. In these boards, multiple insulated wires are used for interconnection. Wiring can be done on both sides for more number of connections. Flexible PCB. This type of PCB use a special base material which can be folded. These are used in military and aerospace applications and computers. A copper clad is used for construction of a PCB. A copper clad has a thin coating of copper which is chemically or mechanically bonded to insulating base means plastic. Following point must be considered while drawing a PCB design. Size of PCB, number of component to used, size of component, method of mounting vertical or horizontally, voltage to be applied, whether external lead are to be taken from one side or both sides. Procedure for this practical is prepare a sketch of a circuit on paper. Draw the same sketch on copper clad by considering the above given points. Use carbon paper to sketch same drawing. Paint the conducting area as shown in figure by an oil paint. Place a copper clad in a tray containing electrochemical etchant for sufficient time. Processing of removing copper layer from particular surface is called etching. Ferric chloride is used for etching small number of boards. Then following reaction takes place. FeCl3 plus copper is equal to copper chloride plus FeCl2. Clean the board by using clean water. Copper chloride and ferric chloride get removed. Drill the hole for mounting the component. Remove the oil paint by using kerosene or turpentine. Mount the component. Conclusion. Detail of PCB. Various types of PCB. Point to be considered while PCB design. Process of making PCB have been studied. There is some assignment for you. Please note it down in your copy and show me later on. What is PCB? What do you mean by etching? Which solution is used for etching? What are the various types of PCB? Explain procedure of making PCB. Which material is used to make PCB? Okay, thank you student. Meet you in next period. Thanks.